and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to fix the computer freezing randomly on our Windows. So if you're also looking out how to fix this issue, you may head over and follow up the steps and you should be able to fix it. So for that, we can restart and check if it's a temporary freeze. You can go to the task manager for that, access your task manager, hit enter or run it as administrator. And once you access your task manager, here look out for the program that may be causing the freeze. So you need to find it up. For example, let's say OBS Studio is causing it. Right click on it, select the option of end task and end that program. Once you do so, you can close this up and restart your PC. Restart the PC once. If you do so, the task that should probably fix the issue. Apart from that, you can check for overheating. So you can check if your CPU or GPU overheats. You can remove the dust, clean the fans, and don't block the airflow. Apart from that, you can remove the problematic startup applications. For that also, you need to go to your task manager, search for task manager, hit enter, and go to the startup applications. Within here, find the application that may be causing the issue. For example, let's say this is the one. You need to right click on it and select the option disable and disable the following application that may be probably causing the issue. You can look out for the application. Sometimes it may be some game or anything else. You can follow this process and restart your PC. Also update your graphic drivers. For that, you can just go over and look out for your device manager. Go to device manager, hit enter. Once you go to your device manager, go over and look out for the display adapters, expand it up, find your driver, right click on it, select the option of update driver or install the device, and once you complete it up, you can restart your PC and again go ahead and install the latest version available. Once you update it, that should do it. Also check for corrupted system files, so you can open up CMD as an administrator, run it as an administrator, your command prompt, and once you do so, you just need to type in sfc /scan now. So type in sfc /scan now and hit enter. Once you do so, it will start scanning. It may take some time, about 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your device's speed, and you can just go over and perform it up and check for corrupted system files and restore the health and restart your PC. And what you can do is you can check your RAM as well. Press Windows plus R, and within there just go over and type in mdschad.exe and hit enter. Once you do so, you can check your computer for memory problems. You can restart, click on this option called restart now and check for problems. And before doing so, you can save your work and close any programs before restarting and follow up the process. And that's it. Sometimes updating your Windows should also help. You may follow up this process. So therefore, we hope this video was helpful. Give it a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.